So welcome to this new tutorial of the series PHP. Today we will see the super global variables in PHP in detail, and you will understand this whole concept very well. So let's get started. Super global variables. Some predefined variables in PHP are super globals, which means that they are always accessible regardless of scope, and you can access them from any function, class, or file without having to do anything special. The PHP superglobal variables are dollar globals, dollar underscore server, dollar underscore request, dollar underscore post, dollar underscore get, dollar underscore files, dollar underscore env, dollar underscore cookie, and dollar underscore session. So PHP dollar globals. Globals is a PHP superglobal variable which is used to access global variables from anywhere in the PHP scripts, also from within functions or methods. PHP stores all global variables in an array called $global in bracket index. The index holds the name of the variable. So the next is dollar underscore server. It is a PHP superglobal variable which holds information about headers, path, and script locations. So it is very important to know this superglobal variable, and it has many applications. So we will see that in the example. Next is the PHP dollar underscore request. It is a PHP superglobal variable which is used to collect data after submitting an HTML form. The example in the program shows a form with an input field and submit button. When a user submits the data by clicking on submit, the form data is sent to the file specified in the action attribute of the form tag. So the next is the dollar underscore post, and it is very important variable. It is a PHP superglobal variable which is used to collect form data after submitting an HTML form with method post. Dollar underscore post is also widely used to pass the variables. So this will help you to provide the security in PHP page. Next is dollar underscore get. It is a PHP superglobal variable which is used to collect form data after submitting an HTML form with method is equal to get. Dollar underscore get can also collect data sent in the URL. So it is less secure than the post. So if you want the security, then you will use the post method, that is post superglobal variable. Then there are very important variables in PHP, that is dollar underscore file and dollar underscore cookie and dollar underscore session, which is used for different purposes in the PHP form or PHP page that we will see in detail with the program. So let's see the program first. So this is the program for superglobal variables. Here we have echoed the title, that is superglobal variable, and we have taken two variables, dollar underscore x and dollar underscore y, where x is equal to 75 and y is equal to 25, and here we have taken the function addition for adding these two superglobal variables. So first we have used the $_globals, which is the first super global variable in PHP. So $_globals in bracket z is equal to $globals x plus $globals y. It will add this x and y because the scope of this globals variable is anywhere in the PHP script. So it will print the addition of these two variables. So z contains the addition of these two variables. Then here we have called this addition function and we have printed this z that will print the 100 as a output. Then next we have taken the $_server, which is the second global variable in PHP, $_server, which has many arguments like PHP shell, which will print the PHP page name, then $_server in bracket server underscore name, then it will print the server name, then $_server in bracket HTTP host, it will print the host name, then $_server in bracket script underscore name, which will print the script name. After that we have taken one HTML form and we have used the post method here, and we have echoed this with the $_server php underscore self. We have taken one input as a first name in the text format, and we have taken the submit button here. So here we have used the $_server in bracket request underscore method exactly equal to post. So request method is used here, and if the name is present, then it will print the name is the name of that first name. Then if not, then it will print as a name is empty. So this is the program for super global variables. You can also use the files and cookies and session super global variables according to your requirement or demand. Okay, so we will print the output here. Okay, we will print this output. You will see the output. So as it is a super global variable, it will add these two elements, then php underscore self, it will print the script name and the host name likewise. So this is the tutorial of PHP super global variables. If you like this video, please click on the like button and share this video to your friends. And if you are new to the channel, please do not forget to subscribe the channel, as it motivates me for future videos. Keep learning, keep watching. Thank you. Jai Hind.